Schoology will allow us to link our courses so that if I have several sections of the same class, I don't have to put an assignment into each individual class. I can just do it once and all those classes, the same thing will happen. So if you're teaching multiple sections of the same class, I'm thinking like a middle school FIAD or something where you might have 6 or 7 or 8 sections. Linking might be something that you're interested in. So we need to go to courses, and I'm going to click on my courses right here. Okay, now we have my courses, and I'm going to scroll all the way down. I created this test class for linking, and you can see that I have 3 sections. So if you had 3 sections of physics first or chemistry or life fitness, those would all show up here. And I'm just going to click on the gear next to section 1, and it says right there, link existing section. So let's try that. And it's going to ask what sections do you want to link with section 1. I'll click both of these. Alright, this is where I'm about to get a warning both from Schoology, and I'll give it to you too. Any grading that you've done in these sections will be lost as soon as you link. The same thing happens if you unlink sections that are linked and you pull them apart. Any grading is lost. So there's a fail-safe here. I'm going to get this warning. Grades will not be carried over, and it's allowing me to download my grades. So this is just a standard spreadsheet that'll go into my computer downloads, and I can take a look at the grades. If I have any, I have a spreadsheet record. If you're really tech savvy, this spreadsheet is made to be uploaded into other programs, but that's not something I can do. So I don't even have any grades in these test sections yet, but it's still asking me. I still get this warning. Sure, fine, I'll download right there. Yay, my grades are downloaded. Do we want to link the sections? Yeah, let's link them. Let's see what happens. So now if we go to test class for linking, section 1, 2, 3 all show up on the same line. Cool. So let's go in and check it out. So here I am in my class. Again, 3 sections all in the same line. Anything that I put into here will go into each section or each class or each period. So let's put an assignment in here. I want to show you what it looks like when I'm trying to grade an assignment in linked courses. Fitness log. This required formative. I want to separate these because I actually want these to have different due dates. So right here, availability and due date. It's available to all sections. Love it. We're going to click on customize. We're going to customize section 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now I have separate due dates. Now if my fitness log or whatever the assignment is due at the exact same time for all of my classes, I don't really mess with this. But you know, depending on the class you're teaching, you might have different due dates for each of these sections. Just showing you what this looks like with different due dates. Okay, so I think I'm all set up right here. We're ready to create. There's my assignment. I can see that there's 3 of them over here, 1 for each section because we gave them different due dates. Let's open that assignment up. 3 different due dates telling me which section are the due dates. And then when I'm grading these are not all going to go to one big bank. When I come over here, I can pick which section to enter grades for. So a different list of students will show up here. Let's go back and try one other one. Let's see what a discussion looks like, because we have lots of teachers creating class discussions and ways for kids to submit videos and things like that. So let's add a discussion, see if that's similar. Again, I have the option to make different due dates for each one. I think for this one I'll leave it as the same due date. So let's say everything is due midnight on Sunday. So let's go pick a Sunday night, make it midnight. So we're not going to separate those. Create this discussion. All right, there is our graded discussion. Let's open that up and see what that looks like. So again, I have this drop-down menu here, so I can read the kids who are in section 1. I can flip over to section 2. So when you link your courses, you're not going to course and navigating in between sections. It looks like I can just navigate within this one course by using these drop-down menus.